keys right here. All you do is hold it like this, and it looks like.
Dude, that looks amazing.
It goes right into my hand. And then pass the pen out for inspection. Whoa. Whoa, it's not ripped.
Isn't that great? Look at that. Silk, not even ripped, look.
What's good? Welcome back to How to Magic. Oh, Magic! I am your host, Evan Era. Today I'm joined with a special co-host. I got Magic Murray with me.
Oh! Hey, buddy, how you doing?
I didn't know where you were.
Yeah, I know.
Murray Sawchuck.
I got a better idea. What if we just do, how about that? It's just a regular gun, see?
Don't!
No, it's a, dude, it's a, it's going. It's on fire? Yes? All right, now check this out. Got this lid, go like this. Watch. 1, 2, 3, just for you. Donuts.
So today we are showing you 3 easy magic tricks that you can do at home right now. Okay, cool pen trick to show you. I have a little ink pen here and there's a red cap on it right there. See it?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. So I'm going to try this.
Okay.
I'm going to put the point of the pen just here in my palm.
Don't poke
this hand.
yourself, yeah?
That's the entire idea, is if I drive the pen just like this,
Dude, that looks amazing.
it goes right into my hand, just like that.
Dude, where'd it go?
The secret to performing this trick yourself coming up next. Here's what you'll need to set this up. You'll need a pen, some double-sided tape, and 2 pen lids. That is 2 caps that look exactly alike. And all you're going to do is remove the clip from one of the pen lids, and you can set this aside, you won't need it. All you need is the little clip, the little piece right here. The duplicate lid goes on the pen just like that. Your next step is to take a small piece of the double-sided tape and just stick it to your palm just like that. Then you're going to stick the clip of the pen onto your palm just like so. So from the top it will appear as though the pen cap is held in your hand, especially if we place the pen underneath just like this and conceal the cap just there. So we can hold it like this, and as we slide the cap down, it looks like the pen is just disappearing into the other hand. Because the clip slides down like this, it creates the illusion of the pen just disappearing into the other hand. You can then make the pen come back out of your hand just like this, conceal the little clip, and then pass the pen out for inspection. And that is how you do the magic pen through the hand trick. Okay, Murray, so you're gonna show me a trick with a piece of string, right?
Yes,
Okay.
I am, and a playing card,
Okay,
and a handkerchief.
got it.
And a hole punch. So I'm gonna punch a hole in here, just like that. Okay.
Okay,
So you got that. See?
hole through the
Hole
card.
right there,
Got
and
it.
then lay the string across here.
Okay,
Okay. Now here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna take this. I want you to thread the string through the card.
okay.
Make sure it's on there. It's not ripped. It's just a hole.
Okay, string going through
Yeah,
the
it's not
hole in the
ripped, right?
card, just like that.
Awesome.
It's legit.
Great. Now I'm gonna drape this here over top of the card. Okay.
Okay.
So there's that. I want you to hold either side for
Okay,
me.
sure.
Then lift it up. All right.
All
So we'll be
right.
balancing on there.
Got
I
it.
want you to watch very carefully. I'm gonna reach under here.
Okay.
And I'm going to try to do a little card manipulation just for you, okay?
Okay.
Now this is the hardest part of the whole trick. Did you know that? And now if you watch really carefully, watch. You're watching?
I got either end of the string, so
All right,
I'm
you
not
got it
going
tight?
any funny business
Oh,
here.
no, you got both sides
I
tight.
do,
You're sure?
yeah.
I should watch very carefully. Watch. 1, 2, 3.
Whoa. Whoa, it's not ripped.
Isn't that great? Look at that. Still not even ripped. Look. You like that?
Yeah, the string's still intact.
You like
I'm
that?
holding it the entire time.
Amazing, right?
That was crazy.
You gonna teach it to him?
Absolutely.
Yeah, you are.
Want to know the secret? Here's how it's done. Here's what you'll need to set up the trick. You're going to need a silk scarf or a napkin, 2 duplicate cards, that is 2 cards that are exactly the same, a hole punch, and some string. Your first step is to take the 2 duplicate cards and hold them together just like this. Take your hole punch and punch a hole in the 2 cards just like that so that they match up perfectly. Step number 2, hide one of the cards in your sleeve. Step number 3 is to take the piece of string and lace it through the card just like that. So you're going to have your spectator hold the string on either end just like this so that there's no way you can get the card off of the string. Well, you could, but you'd have to tear it. But the whole trick is to remove the card from the string without breaking the string or tearing the card. So you're going to take your magic sash, you're going to drape drape it over the card, and then you're gonna perform the trick under the sash. Now what the audience doesn't see is this. I'm gonna show you the exposed view. So you have to have long sleeves on because you have your duplicate card hidden right here. When you're underneath the sash, here's what you're doing. All you're gonna do is just tear this card gently so that it doesn't make any sound. Remove it like this, take the duplicate card out of your sleeve, and load the torn card back into your sleeve just like that. Then you can remove the sash, show that the card has been removed from the string. The string is not broken, it's been intact the whole time. The spectator's been holding it, and the card is not torn, ripped, or cut in any way. You can hand these out as souvenirs to your audience. They can take them home, fully inspectable and absolutely amazing. Now you know the secret of the magic card on the string trick. Okay, so I have a really cool trick to show you with this key right here.
So excited.
Watch, this is really cool. You guys can actually do this at home too, so we'll show you the secret in a second, but check it out. The key's right here. All you do is hold it like this, and it looks like...
Dude, that's awesome.
Magic advantage.
How do you do that? Can you tell me?
I will. I'll show you.
Promise.
Alright, here's how it's done. I'm about to reveal a secret. The secret to this trick is extremely simple, and I'll teach you how it's done right now. The key to this one is a trick up your sleeve. Here's what you'll need to pull it off. You'll need some scissors, a key, a silicone bracelet, and a rubber band. Your first step is to cut the rubber band. So now you have an elastic band just like this, and you want to tie that in place on the silicone bracelet. Tie the other end of the elastic band to the key. Now all you do is slide the silicone bracelet on and slide it up your sleeve. Now this is an exposed view. Obviously you would have a long sleeve shirt on, so you can hold the key right here at your fingertips like this, concealing the elastic band, and then when you let go of it, it will spring back up your sleeve just like that because of the elasticity of the band. It's a really simple and easy DIY trick that you can set up at home. Makes it really easy to do a cool visual vanish of a small object right at your fingertips. And that is how you do the magic disappearing key trick. If you liked the video, hit the thumbs up button. Be sure to share it with someone you think might like it. And check out the link below in the description. Check out the video that we did on Murray's channel. Super funny prank.
We had such a good time, right?
It was really
This prank's unbelievable. Check that out. Evan, thank you so much for having me here. I love these tricks. I mean, make them, do them, you're gonna love them, right?
Absolutely. And be sure to subscribe to his channel. The link is down below. Check out the video that we did together. Alright guys, it is giveaway time. I'm giving away the magic silk scarves that we have on EvanEraTV.com and the Laugh at Life silicone bracelets to lucky comments in the comment section down below. All you have to do to be eligible for the giveaway is hit the thumbs up on the video and leave me a comment down in the comment section. And maybe leave us a comment down below and let us know what trick was your favorite. The giveaway winners from our last How To Magic video are right here. Send me an email to this email address with your full mailing address to claim your prize. Thank you to everyone who entered that giveaway, and good luck to everyone entering this giveaway. The key's right here. All you do is hold it like this, and it looks like...
Dude, that looks amazing.
It goes right into my hand. And then pass the pen out for inspection. Whoa. Whoa, it's not ripped.
Isn't that great? Look at that. Silk, not even ripped, look.
Be sure to subscribe to Murray's channel, turn on the notification for the channel. He has really funny videos, a bunch of cop pranks, really funny stuff. So go check that out. The link is down below. And until next time, remember that anything is possible as long as you stay positive, work hard, and laugh at life. Love you guys.